So we need to replace probably from that Y right there.
Okay. Is that the toilet right there?
That's a vent.
Oh, okay.
It could be the toilet.
Well, if
I guess it is.
Bathtub right there, because I do remember getting that replaced, and that was the bathtub.
Right.
That little section.
Oh,
there.
this should be, well, it may be. It just doesn't look like the right place for the toilet. There's the toilet right there.
Oh, okay.
So that's the vent in the wall. What I was thinking is...
Oh, I see now. I didn't even see that one for the toilet. Okay.
Come on, got a web.
Get a shot back I can hit this all with before you get in.
Wow, that's problematic there, how that toilet goes up.
What's the issue?
Oh, let's see here. It kind of does a weird... Probably what we'd need to do to fix that would be, well... We wouldn't be able to come back around that dude, though. But we could repipe this however we wanted to.
Gotcha.
Well, there's two options. We could bust it right here.
Okay.
And just tie on right there. And then we wouldn't have to pull the toilet upstairs. Otherwise, we'll have to pull it and put a whole new flange and all that down in there.
Okay.
That right there is on a vertical, or what's considered a vertical fall, which is anything north of 45. So water doesn't stay in it long enough to rust it, bad. We could also bust it loose here and look at it first before we went further with it.
The toilet's got a little wiggle to it, and I thought it might have just been...
It's probably the old flange. We may be able, I'll give it to you two ways.
Okay, I was going to say, I like to see the price difference just on doing this, both.
Yeah. So...
Options.
Then we got the Y there that's got to be taken out.
Okay.
And...
But the air pipe in the wall wouldn't have to be replaced, right?
No, we're not going to worry about the vent.
Okay.
Vents, all vents do is handle air. So then we got, I'm going to say 25 to 30 feet of 3-inch. And then a tie-in for a wash machine there. And 3 fixtures over here. All right, and then while I'm at it, the water heater.
I've got a guy coming to fix the flue pipe. I know that's going to be
that's
an issue.
Well, yeah, it's an issue because it's all backfalling.
Yeah. So
that's backfalling, and this is backfalling too.
Yep.
Yeah,
like I said, there's a lot of things not done quite right that our first home inspector didn't catch.
It's an 07. Well, I don't know if he mentioned it or not, but the water heater is 12 years old too.
What does last about?
10 to 12 years.
Oh. Okay. All right.
There's I guess we can, let's see, there's no drain in here, is it? So this guy here would have to come down and then I guess try to go out that wall with it.
Okay.
Or out that piece of wood maybe. And that's step over here the other side. We'll call that 8 to 10.
So ideally it needs to be somewhere near the wall.
Yeah. Then we need a thermal expansion tank. The thermal expansion tank issue, all right,